our first cruise. We're going to Nassau, Bahamas on the Carnival Glory. Here's our room. This is a accessible room. 2 twin beds, or you can have 1 full bed. You have a closet for your bags, a full mirror. We have hangers to hang up stuff, and we have our life jackets. We have towels, TV. These waters are $4.75. We have a hair dryer, paper, and pencil, laundry. We have a little stool, a waste basket. It's a cute little room. And in here it is a little cooler fridge. Buttons for assistance. A cute little room. This is the bathroom, accessible room. Got a cute flower shower curtain. A bench. A soft toilet paper. Little shelves to put your stuff. Outlet. Towels. And they have shower gel and shampoo. No conditioner. That one. First cruise on the Carnival Glory. This is our first cruise. We're going to Nassau, Bahamas. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.